Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese lasagna at home using an easy method. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 1 pound of ground meat, a jar of your favorite marinara sauce, and 3 different cheeses. Cook the meat until it's browned, then drain any extra fat. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Now, let's start building our delicious lasagna. Begin by spreading a thin layer of marinara sauce on the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This prevents sticking and adds flavor. Next, place a single layer of no-boil lasagna noodles over the sauce. Then, spread a creamy mixture of ricotta cheese and a sprinkle of mozzarella. Repeat these layers, ensuring each one is even for best results. After your cheese layer, it's time for the savory meat. Evenly distribute the cooked ground meat over the cheese. This ensures every bite has a perfect balance of flavors. Follow with another layer of noodles and more marinara sauce. For the grand finale, generously top your lasagna with a mix of mozzarella and grated Parmesan cheese. This creates a golden, bubbly crust when baked. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Cover the dish with foil and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Then, remove the foil and continue baking for another 15 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Let the lasagna rest for about 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the layers to set, making for easier and cleaner serving. Enjoy your homemade cheese lasagna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.